Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Let us learn today Dinka to English short phrases. Number one, Jat Karot, stand up. Nyoj ka, sit down. Back 10, come here. Lag air, go outside. Welka wekot. Turn your back. Pamka wichin. Claps your hands. Dalka apay. Laugh loudly. Catch cupping. Hit the ground. Jatka wekok nyal. Put your hands up. Doka wekok piny. Put your hands down. Gwangka wekot piny. Mean bend your backs down. Katka apay. Run very fast. Molka, you crawl. Nganyka otok mean you open the door. Nganyka otok. The terms words used above are nyuch, sitting, pam or pamka, clubs. Gung mean to bend. Cat mean running. Mole mean crawling. Ngany mean to open. Air mean outside. Pin mean ground. Nyal mean up, above or sky. Kok mean arm or hands. Kot mean backs or cow. Nyali kawek kuyania inakan dayen by William Majak Malek Deng. Dupioc itong jang. Please follow this channel if you find this one useful. Also, share it to your loved ones so that we learn Dinka language together. Please share it. That's the only way you can help me. Follow the page so that you get our videos every day when we post them during weekend. Bye bye. Welcome.